Hey everyone!
Hi everyone!
Welcome back to a new vlog. We are at Jonkershoek Trail today and we are going to hike to the second waterfall. For those who watched the previous video, which we'll link below, we did the first waterfall the last time, but this time we're doing the second waterfall, and this time we are...
As you can probably tell, we are driving and it's a bit of a bumpy road. The last time we were here, this option was not available to us. It does make things a lot easier because trying to get to the initial trail to get to the hiking trail that takes you to the waterfalls is quite a distance to hike.
I think it's like 5Ks?
5 to 7 Ks, round about there, yeah.
Okay.
But what we'll do for you guys is we'll link the video that we did when we made it to the first waterfall in the description of this video below.
We'll show you a bit of what is in front of us. Because that's how, it doesn't look very wobbly, but when you see it, when you see what's in front of us and why we are wobbling like this, it doesn't look very wobbly, but yeah, it is very wobbly.
Oh, yeah, it is.
But it's better than walking in like we did the last time. Jonkershoek Nature Reserve includes the smaller Asahibosch Nature Reserve, which lies near the town of Stellenbosch in the southwestern Cape. The reserve comprises the imposing Jonkershoek Mountains and portions of the upper Jonkershoek Valley.
So just a quick update, guys. This is where we got to the last time with our 27,000 steps video. Link in the descriptions, go have a look at that. Behind me is the fork in the road. Going up that way is the first waterfall. We're not going to go there. We're going to carry on straight because we're going to go see the second waterfall. We'll check in with you guys once we get there.
The Jonkershoek Mountains, with their high peaks and deep cliffs, form parts of the larger Boland mountain range. The Eerste, Berg, Lawrence and Riviersonend rivers all have their sources high in these mountains, although only the Eerste River actually flows through the Jonkershoek Valley. The lower reaches of the valley are a well-known wine-producing area.
Hey guys, so just another quick check-in. We're not quite at the second waterfall of the two waterfall hike at Jonkershoek. We're basically, well, you can call it the base, so the entrance. So we're no longer out in the open, it's pretty much, it's covered. But
Beautiful.
how gorgeous is that?
And this is just the beginning.
Just the beginning. So we're almost there, looking very forward to seeing it.
Hiking to the second waterfall is an easy rumble along the Eerste River right past the first waterfall. It is a steep climb along the gorge to the foot of the second waterfall. The menacing ascent to the second waterfall is a 6.4 kilometer trail which takes hikers approximately 2 hours to complete. Hey guys.
Hey guys, so we've made it to the waterfall. We've actually gone a bit further than the second waterfall. There is a section that you can climb up, but that is for your more advanced climbers, and that gets you to this pool over here. But we're talking about straight rock face up on a chain. You can actually go a bit further. If you look there behind me, it does carry on, but that does mean more sheer rock face climbing. So if that is something you enjoy doing, give it a try. But I think this is going to be it for us. We do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. It helps our channel grow. And while you're here, why not give us a subscribe?
But we'll catch you guys in
the next one.